Siding does much more than define the look of your home. It protects the structure underneath from weather, moisture, and everyday wear. When siding problems go unnoticed or ignored, small issues can quickly turn into costly repairs. For homeowners in Macomb, knowing the most common siding issues and addressing them early can help preserve curb appeal, comfort, and long-term home value. Cracks, gaps, and visible damage. One of the earliest signs of siding trouble is visible cracking or gaps between panels. These openings may seem minor, but they allow moisture and air to reach areas that should remain protected. Over time, this can lead to interior wall damage or insulation problems. Macomb homeowners should regularly walk around their home and look for cracked panels, chipped sections, or areas where siding no longer sits flush. Catching these problems early helps prevent more serious structural concerns. Warping or buckling panel siding should lie flat against the exterior of your home. When panels begin to warp or buckle, it's a sign something isn't right. Warping can occur due to prolonged exposure to heat, moisture, or improper installation. In Macomb homes, warped siding not only affects appearance but also reduces the siding's ability to protect the home. Buckled panels can allow water to slip behind the siding, increasing the risk of hidden damage. Moisture stains and discoloration or staining on siding often signals moisture issues. Dark streaks, greenish buildup, or uneven fading can indicate that water is lingering where it shouldn't. Macomb homeowners should pay close attention to areas near the bottom of walls or around seams and joints. Moisture problems that aren't addressed early can lead to rot, mold, or damage to underlying materials. Loose or missing siding sections. Strong winds and regular exposure to the elements can loosen siding over time. Missing or dangling panels leave parts of your home exposed and vulnerable. Even a small section of missing siding can allow water and pests to enter. Macomb homeowners who notice loose panels should act quickly to prevent further damage and avoid larger repairs down the line. Fading and uneven appearance. While some fading is natural over time, uneven or excessive fading can be a sign that siding is aging or losing its protective qualities. This issue affects curb appeal and may signal that the material is no longer performing as it should. In Macomb neighborhoods, faded siding can make a home look older than it is. Addressing fading early allows homeowners to explore repair or replacement options before performance declines further. Increased indoor comfort issues. Siding problems don't always show up outside first. Drafts, inconsistent indoor temperatures, or higher energy use can all be signs that siding is no longer providing proper protection. When siding gaps or damage allow outside air to penetrate the home, indoor comfort suffers. Macomb homeowners who notice rooms feeling colder or warmer near exterior walls may want to inspect siding as part of the solution. Pest activity near exterior walls. Damaged siding can create entry points for insects and small animals. Gaps, cracks, or loose panels make it easier for pests to nest or move into wall cavities. Early attention to siding issues helps Macomb homeowners reduce the risk of pest-related damage and maintain a healthier living environment. Peeling paint or interior wall damage. In some cases, siding problems show up inside the home. Peeling paint, bubbling wallpaper, or damp spots on interior walls may indicate moisture intrusion from failing siding. Addressing siding concerns early can prevent these interior issues from spreading and protect the home's structure. Why early action makes a difference. Siding issues rarely fix themselves. What starts as a small crack or loose panel can escalate into moisture damage, insulation problems, or structural repairs if ignored. For Macomb homeowners, early attention means lower repair costs, better protection, and peace of mind. Regular inspections and prompt repairs help siding continue doing its job, protecting your home and maintaining its appearance. By recognizing common siding issues early, homeowners can take proactive steps to preserve comfort, curb appeal, and long-term home value.